EURUSD this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price has gone outside and above 1.07825 resistance level and supply zone, where the price has made a breakout on Tuesday, and then the price formed the second candle above, which is a confirmation of this bullish breakout. After that, the prices continue to rise in value, and we can see that the price touched 1.08846, a strong bullish move that took the price above to the next supply zone. But then at the same day, on a Thursday, the price returned back down and formed this some kind of a bearish pin bar, but with a candle's body that is formed as a bullish candle. And on a Friday, we can see a small decision candle where the price could not move any further up and also further down, but we can see a small wick on the upper side, which is suggesting that the bulls are a little bit stronger than the sellers are. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. In the previous week, we can see that the price has formed this indecision candle, but it was a bullish pin bar at this support level, where the price was indicating that the price could rise in value, but also the price has gone outside, which means below 1.07825, suggesting that the price could move further down. This week, the price turned back up and formed this candle that has weekly bullish breakout, which means the price is trying to rise in value, reaching higher price levels. On the monthly time frame, we have one more week, and we can see this is currently indecision candle on the monthly time frame. So for now, we need to focus on the weekly and the daily time frame to see how this month will end. In the next week, we can see that the price currently it is on the support level 1.07825, which is a demand zone, and which is currently what we can see it is hard. It's hard support level that is pretty hard for the sellers to break below. But we will see on the weekly and the daily time frame how this looks. Currently, this month looks like indecision, where we can see the price was dropping down and then bouncing back up, and it is currently in the middle, which means the fight between the sellers and the buyers. Now for the monthly time frame, if the price goes below, which means the price closing below 1.0785, we can see the next level where the price will reach is this one, where the first support level is, and this is the wick where the price has dropped down. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price formed this bullish breakout, which means the price is trying to return back up to the higher price levels. So this week is some kind of a breakout that needs to be verified next week, which means the price needs to form another candle which will not go below and close the week below 1.07825. If the price goes below, this will mean that the price has gone back inside in the downtrend, and we can see the first level, which is very important, is this one here, and that is 1.075. If the weekly closes below that, this means that the price will continue to fall down, and the next one is where the price could stop is this one here, and also this one here, which means 1.07 and also 1.068. Now, if the price stays above and this bullish breakout has been confirmed, this means that the price will try to reach higher price levels, and this means this is the first one, which is 1.084, and the second one where the price could reach 1.087. So these are two scenarios for the weekly time frame, and we can see that much more clearly on the daily. Now what we can see, 1.086, which is a very important level for the price, and then 1.087, which means the next supply zone, a resistance level for the price that is very important. Now on the lower side, we can see that the 1.075 is very important level. This is the level on the weekly time frame. If the price breaks below, this will mean that the price will try continue to fall down even more and reaching lower levels. Now these are very important levels, but what I can see currently, the price has made a breakout on the daily time frame, verified as a valid one, and continued to rise in value. And this is a strong supply zone here, where the price has been pushed down strongly on the Thursday. So this is also indication that the sellers are very, very strong here, and the buyers are strong very here. So this will be some kind of indecision moving sideways for the price until the price makes a break to the upper side or the downside. So currently, If something changes and the price returns back down or the price continues to rise up, I will share that inside the daily analysis. The Telegram group, the link will be below in the description, so you can check when I share the daily analysis what is important and is there any kind of signal or breakout that's happening on the market. So that's all for this weekly analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to ask or leave a comment below the video. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.